Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kayla Delores and you're tuned in to Kayla Delores TV. So you all, this is our another entrepreneurship video, and this one is going to be about how to get your EIN number for free. You really do not have to pay anyone to get your EIN, your LLC. It's really simple. So I wanted to walk you all through it. We have my laptop here, so we're going to walk you all through it. It's a simple process. So I wanted to show you all. I'm in the process of doing mine, as you all know. My business launched Sunday. Time you all see this, it probably will be on Sunday. So yeah, so y'all might as well watch this video and then go shop, girl. Then go shop. But no, I definitely wanted to show you all how to get your EIN number. So I'm gonna go ahead and start screen recording and we're about to get to it. So yeah. Okay, you all. So the first step we're gonna do is go to irs.gov. So once we get to that website, we're going to scroll down. It's going to be in, well, you can see it right here, apply for your employer identification number. Now this you all can read over if this is your first time applying for an EIN. And once you read that, you'll go ahead and apply. This is just letting you know that this is a U.S. government authorized website. Here is just important things to know once you are starting an EIN or getting one. So I have an LLC, which is why I chose that, and this is just a little bit of information about an LLC, what you all would need to know. It's just me and my LLC, which is why I have one member, and I live in Florida. So that's self-explanatory. You're just going to say where your business is located. Here are different forms that you all would want to have for an LLC. Especially if you're a single member, as you can see at the top, it says a single member limited liability company. So here it's asking, why do you want an EIN? I want one because I am starting a new business. So here you're going to put in your personal information, or just your first name, your middle initial, your last name, and then you're going to put your social security number in there as well. And then you're going to choose one of these options here if you're applying for yourself or if a third party is doing it for you, but obviously you'll be doing it yourself. So you'll click the first one. So here you're going to put where your LLC is located. So whatever information you put for when you apply for your LLC, you're going to put that exact information there. So it's usually your address. So that's the information you're going to put there. Your business address, personal, whatever address you use for your LLC, that's the one you'll put. And then you will click continue. Oh, here I'm just saying make sure you don't have any errors. So, and I did have an error. So I had to go back and fix that. Okay, so now you're going to put the legal name of your LLC. Also, you'll see where I made an error here. When you're putting in your name for your company, you cannot use any, and I see it at the top now, but you definitely have to put, you cannot use any apostrophes or periods or anything in that nature. So you'll see where I made that error just to save you some time. And I couldn't remember exactly when I filed for my my LLC, so I went back and checked that really quickly. and I applied for mine in June of this year. So as you can see, I made that error. So I'm just going to go ahead and correct it now. And that's still incorrect. I have to remove the apostrophe behind grandma's hands. So once I do that, then we're all good to go. Okay, so this is just asking a little bit more information about your LLC. Just, do you have a business vehicle? Exactly what you're selling? Do you have any employees? Just any of that information. If you're starting a new business, you probably don't, but that's just for you to read over. And here it's asking, what is your business like? What do your business or organization do? As you all know, I'm a hair care company, e-commerce, where we sell online. So I am in the retail industry. And here it's just asking, where do I sell? If you have a brick and mortar, or where exactly do you sell? And I sell online, Shopify. Okay, so here is very important. I like to have my letter online. It's totally up to you, but as you can see, if you do mail, it takes 4 weeks to deliver. I did not want that. I wanted to see my EIN is like immediately. So that is one choice that I recommend you do. So here you're just going to read over everything that you submitted, making sure it all is correct. And now you have your EIN assigned to you. Now here is the next option that I suggest you do. Click here to have your confirmation letter. And here you want to print that out or save it to your computer. Okay, you all, so I hope that was helpful for you. As you see, it's definitely not difficult to get your EIN number. What did it take? Maybe like 5-6 minutes to do it. So yeah, I'll put the link that we use to get there, which is just irs.gov, to get to our EIN, to fill out the application. One thing I definitely want to tell you all, that page that you're gonna see, I would print that page out and of course save it to your computer, save it to your files, because you're gonna need your EIN number to open a bank account. Really, that's just like your social security number, but for your business. So definitely keep up with that number. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know some other things that I can help you all with when it comes to your business. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.